Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Yeedi S20 Infinity Ultra. If you're interested in the S20, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all of those links in the description. So we have our S20 right here. Let's pop off the top cover, just lifts up and out of the way. Make sure your vacuum is turned on. That's going to be the red switch all the way to the right position. And you can see we have our illuminated power button that's solid and our blinking Wi-Fi light here. So to do a full factory reset, we're going to hold down the Wi-Fi light for about 10 seconds. We will hear a voice prompt, then you can let go.
Reset to default settings.
So there we go. Reset to default settings. And now we just wait for the vacuum to factory reset. It'll cycle through here in a second, so just watch the lights. Our Wi-Fi light is now blinking faster. We now have a little pulse here too for the main light. Everything just shut off. The power is now off there, even though that light's still on. There we go. Just give it another second to work through that reset, and everything will just boot back up, and it'll be ready to go again for you to do your initial setup process again, where you can add it back to the Yeedi app, just like it's brand new and taken out of the box. That's what the factory reset is going to do. It's going to restore it to, you guessed it, factory settings. So simple, straightforward. Hold down the Wi-Fi button, that indicator light, till you hear that voice prompt. Then it'll power cycle like you're seeing right here. It's turning back on. We got the startup chime, and it's going through that initial reboot, and it will be all set and ready for you to reconnect it to your Yeedi app. You can follow the voice prompts just like you're setting it up and turning it on for the first time again. But there you go. Simple, straightforward. It is ready to be set up in the Yeedi app.